Hi guys, welcome to .NET Go, and my name is Kunal Majumdar. I am a software developer, and my role is I am a .NET full stack developer, and I have created this channel called .NET Go for starting a training program on .NET full stack development. This channel is basically conduct the program where we can learn about what is .NET full stack development and which are the developers called as a .NET full stack developer. And in this program we will learn different languages, about different frameworks which is belongs to .NET, like ASP.NET Core, and then C Sharp, and then OOPS concept obviously, and then Angular, Azure, and SQL, and there are many more apart from that also, which we'll cover in this entire training program. So hope you all like it and you will enjoy and happy learning. And please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.